Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. There was a slight dip in business confidence during the first quarter of this year. Managing Director of Market Research Services, Don Anderson, gave the survey results at a press briefing this morning.
Lest we all begin to think, well, it's a doom and gloom, it is not. The confidence level has been very high. Businesses have been very bullish about the economy and the way in which the economy has been going. There has been substantial growth as far as they are concerned and potential for growth in the economy. So when we have a dip, it simply means that we need to watch.
Consumer confidence, however, went up. Mr. Anderson explains what led to the improvement.
The job expectation index is higher than at any other time. But this does not negate the fact that jobs are still perceived to be scarce given the need. Perhaps most interestingly, despite this higher level of optimism and confidence amongst the consumers, they do not anticipate that this will mean any immediate improvement in their standard of living.
There was also a decline in the number of people receiving remittances. 34% of consumers received remittances in the first quarter of 2018 in comparison to 36% in the same period 1 year ago. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.01. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $98.22. The pound sterling is going for $175.40, while the euro is going for $156.98. The Bank of Jamaica has released information showing the net international reserves, NIR, remain close to historic highs despite dipping in March. The reserves declined by $105 million last month. The dip reduced the NIR to just over $3 billion. At that level, it was capable of paying for 22 weeks of imports. Now, the price of oil rose to its highest in over a week as tensions linked to Syria raised the potential for a disruption in Middle East crude output. Oil for delivery in May gained $2.09. It closed at $65.51 a barrel, and that's the highest it has been since March 26. The JSE index gained more than 2,757 points today, while the junior market index was unchanged. Stocks posting gains included 1834 Investments, Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Elite Diagnostics, Grace Kennedy, Jetcon, Knutsford Express, Main Event Entertainment, Radio Jamaica, and Wisynco Group. On the losing end were Access Financial, Caribbean Producers, Mayberry Investments, Scotia Group, and VM Investments. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.